Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I want to make a weekly spread, and this is what I did before. I think you saw this one already. And in this week it was bloody hot, and I took some nice pictures out of a magazine that illustrate the heat, and I wrote down a few things around it. And this week I was in the mood for purple. And yes, well, it was an ordinary week. Holiday was coming, or yes, holiday was coming. We did some nice things, and this was a flowery week. I still got a present for my birthday, which was almost 2 months ago, but that was very nice. And then we arrived for this week, and I'm going to use a little bit of green, blue colors. And it was a strange week because it was a heavy storm in the Netherlands with a lot of rain, but also it was absolutely stunning weather. And I only had on Monday to do things because the other days I was just fully planned with other things. And so Monday was my to-do day, shopping day, and yeah, well, you sometimes you need to buy things for the house, some new clothes and things like that. And that was the Monday. So yeah, and I'm already going to tell you what happened on Tuesday, because that was I couldn't do anything on Tuesday, and I'm going to use some color under it that makes it a bit nicer. Tuesday and Wednesday, that was the days for the storm, and I had a workshops, 2 days workshops for seeing without eyes. Well, that was a real strange workshops, but it was to improve your intuition, and it was quite interesting. We were with a small group, and after a while we got blindfolded, and it was the idea to feel energy of things. And I could blindfolded see the difference between red paper and yellow paper, but when they took green paper as well with it, that was too difficult for me. So and we did some intuition things. It was really fun, and it was really nice that your intuition and logic is not always going the same. And on Thursday, my husband was his birthday. He became 50 already, which he was terrified of. He was really thinking, "Oh my goodness, that's old." But what is old nowadays? I mean, it's always weird. I mean, when you were young, and I saw my aunts, for example, when they were 40, they already dressed old, they behaved old. But nowadays, you see people of 60 doing well, stupid, childish things. So age is relative. On Friday, it was a beautiful day, and I went with my sister and my son to the beach. And for the first time this year, I swam in our sea, the North Sea, nearby. And I must say, the water was good to do, and yes, that was pleasant. Saturday was extremely hot as well. And we had friends came over, and we had a nice dinner, and we had this art. What I'm drawing now are pawns for games, because we did some games which you need to do with more people. And sometimes it's weird. Sometimes you drink refreshment, sometimes you drink wine or something that evening. But this evening we all drank the whole evening, different kinds of green tea that tasted the best in the heat. And so that's what we. Yeah, it was very nice, very pleasant night. And on Sunday we had a strange morning because we had a big ant invasion in my house, in my kitchen. You know, you really think by yourself, where are these coming from and why do they need to be in my kitchen? And well, it's always yeah, well, you know, you're cleaning and vacuum cleaning, and I used some soap to get them away. And I must say, I didn't see them yet. So I hope they find another place to look for candy, or I don't know what they are looking for, but not in my house. So that was all the week already. And I hope you had a pleasant week. I hope your following week will be nice as well. I'm going to put an icon, an emoji con. So because I was very tired, of course, afterwards. If you need to clean and you didn't expect that. Before I forget, don't forget to subscribe and to like the video, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.